should appreciate the value, not just in the construction phases this project is going to bring, but overall, once the project is completed, the impact's going to be even bigger because it's going to be reoccurring business for the country that's going to make Uganda a global attraction for international conferencing, trade shows, which can open up an exchange of knowledge, it can open up trade between countries, it can open investment opportunities. So really, I think people who are fighting a project like this are very petty-minded. Yeah, not looking at the future development.
We're not blaming anyone. I think sometimes it's not having enough knowledge of the project. They make a statement which sometimes has no background, really. So anybody, if they so feel need information, they can just ask for it. So we're now moving downstairs. And all this is going to be integrated. As you can see, we're in the same level. So we have conference room there, conference room there. There's a VIP section. I mean, just get an idea. It was the first of its kind. Now what is coming here is another extraordinary thing here as well. We're actually getting two big screens. One screen is going to be 8 meters by 4 meters. So when you're in the convention hall, one on this side, one on that side, 8 meters by 4 meters is very big screen.
The safety measures. Imagine mtoto wako atibu.
Njagala okwo. Simanyi wajja.
Nena ajja kujjayo.
Musumba.
The ceiling. You can look up. And let's go up to the edge. Ladies and gentlemen, please watch your step.
In woteli Sudhir jali mukuzimba. Mpya. Yeah. Nange tonsuulayo n'ondessa omwana wange. Njogezaako okulaba.
Bayo mulabyeko.
The last such kind of upgrading was done in 2007 when we held the Omnival Head of States meeting. And if it's a normal meetings, you can, we don't need as much as to upgrade that we normally do. So really, if you have, you want to ask me a question now or when we tour and then come back? Would it be prudent to first go around, see it, and then you ask me questions so that then I can be